guys, welcome back to Ole SmokinSteve's. Today we're going to be doing step 2 of getting my new rod and reel ready. I got the backer line on there, the 12-pound monofilament, and today we're going to be attaching the main line 30-pound braid to that line. And the way we're going to be attaching that, we're going to be using the FG knot. Supposedly the strongest and smallest knot you could possibly get, and I'm going to show you how to get that done. Okay guys, we got this braid here. This 30-pound braid is the blue line. That's going to be our main line, and this white line is the 12-pound monofilament, and we're going to tie this into the FG knot. And we have to keep this braid tight, so I'm putting that in my mouth to keep it tight. I have the other end tied to a knob on the kitchen cabinet. So we want to start out and go underneath that braid. Once we get it under there, we want to go over the top and pull it out straight and keep it tight. We want to keep that braid tight, keep that line tight in our left hand, and also the tag in. And then we go under the other side and over, and back to the first side, under, over, pull it tight, under, over, pull it tight. We're going to do this 10 times on each side. Under, over, pull it tight, under, over, pull it tight. Each side of my left hand there, we're going under, over, and pulling it tight. The trick is to keep everything tight as you can. The braid line on the left hand and the tag in that you're wrapping the line with. So again, we're going under. Well, maybe we're going under. It's hard to get a hold of here. Going under. And if I get a hold of it, there we go. Okay, pull it tight. Under, over, pull it tight. Okay, we're getting close here. Under, over, pulling it tight. So then we want to grab those ends, and what we're going to do with this braid is do a half hitch here on the end to secure that FG knot. So we're going to put that half hitch in there and pull that guy down tight against the end of that FG. Well, make sure we pulled on that and snug it up. Then we're going to take the main line and the 12-pound backer and pull and tighten that FG knot. The more you pull on it, the tighter it gets. So we got a little excess here on this mono. We're going to go ahead and take the scissors and clip that guy off. We've got to do another half hitch here just to make sure. Now we're going to snip this mono off here. Go ahead and snip it off close. And what I'm going to do here is go ahead and do another half hitch and snug her right up against the end of that knot and on top of that mono that I just cut off. So guys, this is a good knot. You can pull and pull and pull. And the more you pull, the tighter it gets. And you can see that this knot is very, very small. Just a shade bit larger than the diameter of the braid itself. So now we can go ahead and cut that excess braid off there. Okay, which will give us a straight shot now from the 12-pound mono to the 30-pound braid. Look at that, guys. That knot is really small. Okay, now that we got that FG knot on there and got everything joined, we're going to take this braid and make sure it's coming off the right direction. We want it coming off the same direction as the reel is turning. Okay, and we're going to take a damp rag here so we don't burn our fingers, and we want to keep a little tension on that line as we reel that reel and put that line on the reel. So what we're going to do is just feed this line on here as we crank it on and keep tension on it with that rag, and we're going to fill that reel up to about 1/8 of an inch from the end. These pins have markers on them, third full, half full, and full, so we'll kind of go by that. Okay, we got this reel all loaded up, ready to go. This is what she looks like, about 1/8 inch from the edge of that reel, and ready to go. Now all we have to do is put our leader on there, our popping cork, and our bait, and we'll be ready to go fishing. So guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and like and share, and hope to see you on the next one.